Hello everyone. We just woke up in a lovely Walmart parking lot in Fargo, North Dakota. Yesterday we left Wisconsin and crossed Minnesota and got here a little after midnight last night. So we're just getting everybody's just getting breakfast and getting ready to go. And we're gonna hit the road. We gotta cross the whole state of North Dakota today and get into Montana. Last night when we first came into Fargo, I thought we could park here at the visitor center, but they have a sign that says no overnight parking. So we decided we had to come back and check it out because Nicole looked up online and saw they actually had the wood chipper from the movie Fargo. So we had to come here and check that out. And as hokey as it is, it's still kind of cool to see. Is that your accomplice in the wood chipper then?
He's so lagging me.
Here, stay back. You got the script here. There's the line. I guess that was your accomplice in the wood chipper. This wood chipper is a replica. Or I don't know if you call it a replica or just a different one, not the actual one from the movie. But they got it out here on display. Well, here we go. Yeah, read that if you get bored. So after driving for almost 11 hours today, we found a free campsite, and you can stay here for 14 days, and we are in northern Montana. Trying to think of the name of a town close. Project Peck, maybe? Anyway, here's the view behind us. We have a huge reservoir back here. And, you know, the typical picnic table and fire pit and stuff. Not too shabby for free. Just enjoying the beautiful sunset. Yeah, it was a long day of driving today, but I'm glad we did the driving today because tomorrow morning we should get to the Canadian border crossing about 3.5 hours from here. So that won't be so bad. I'll see if you can see these gnats. Can you see? There's like a huge swarm right here. Good. Gross. Got a few things to wrap up tonight, but we're looking to get to bed early tonight so we can get up early and hit the road. Okay, so just around this corner we have a low bridge, and I wasn't certain how tall the camper was, so I just got out and measured it, and we should be good.
Yeah, you sound really confident.
So we're gonna sneak our way through here and hopefully we'll clear it. It's 12 foot 3 inches.
Look at how high up that guy was.
We had tons of space. Oh, good Lord.
I think that looks... Oh yeah, we're good.
Okay, that was sketchy.
Alright, so 12.3 we can put on.
12 foot 3 we could pass without a problem. So we just left Fort Peck and we're heading to the Wild Horse border crossing to get up into Canada today. We got to make a stop at Walmart, pick up some essentials, and yeah, I think we'll be ready to cross the border. It's a little complicated for us because we are bringing a firearm across. So we have the special forms filled out and everything. Hopefully that doesn't mean we're gonna be subjected to some crazy search.
And the pets.
Yeah, and the pet's kind of complicated too. So we'll have to go through their paperwork and all that. Out of respect, we're not gonna be recording while we get to the border crossing. So we'll let you know how that goes.